This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 69 of Building Optimus Prime from Transformers. In this issue, we're continuing the arm. I think it's the right arm that we've been doing. It's been a little while, I can't remember. But first, we're going to look through the cinema. Alexei Voskod, General Consul of the Ukrainian Department of Energy. Transformers God, Primus Prime, probably. I don't know. Battle Trap. Looks like one of the little, not very good fun ones, so no, not worried about him. More energon than ever. Source of energy. Cause of strife. I don't know about the bike. Giga Jones. The bike is obviously not a Transformer. They're just, yeah, don't know. Alpha Q. Don't know those. That's one of the Megazord type things building up from lots of things. So the left arm, part 6, left arm, not the right arm, left arm. We're going to be putting the armor pieces onto the left arm, building up a little bit, clipping it in place, building up a little bit, putting it in place. Not difficult. We'll get to that in just a sec, and then it will look like that, because it looks a bit open and bony at the moment, but we're going to be finishing it off soon. So let me clear this out of the way, and we'll get straight to it. Okay, here's the parts. This is the arm that we've been building on, so we'll put that to one side for now. We need to put these bits together. It will have a correct way round. It will be that way round, I believe. It looks like that's matching up better than the other way round. Yeah, that just goes together thusly. And that then goes onto this. Where are we going? Up here. There, yeah. On there. And then that bit goes underneath it there. That doesn't really. Entirely convinced that that's correct, because that doesn't feel like that's going in there properly. Then back out again. Probably that way around, because if it's that way around, it's definitely not going to fit. Feels like that wasn't going. Oh, there is actually little ridges, so it does only go down so far. That probably was correct. Yeah, it just looks like those pins go in further than they do, but it does actually come to a definite stop there. So that is correct, like that. Then we've got to put this on there. It'll only go one way round, which is nice. Like that, and that bit down the bottom there. Up. Nice, more decoration. So that's that. We've got that bit. That is then going on to this on the inside. That way round. 2 pins there and 2 holes there. There we go, looking a bit more arm-like, more fleshed out arm-like. Then we need to build up this bit with that. And there, again, it's got a little pin that will only go one way round. Lined up with that. Go. And then that goes over the top of that. To line up there. Nice, that will do it. And that is going to go onto the piece of that arm. Nice, that makes it look a bit more substantial. I do quite like the hand, it's quite cool. So there we go, that is that. Now completed that part. I was going to say it doesn't look like that's joined up, but that is one piece, so it's definitely meant to have that seam. There we go, another bit completed. Next time, I believe we're continuing the armor bit, another more armor to put onto it. So I shall see you for that very, very soon. Thanks for watching, stay safe. Bye bye for now.